Yeah, are you helping me? What's that? You gonna get it out? Whoa.
I think I'm in the backyard.
You got it out. Thank you. Juice. You want some juice? Yeah. Yeah? Okay, let's get some juice.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we have, up first will be a Walmart grocery pickup, as I am unpacking it right now with my little helper. And then after we put all the groceries away, I forgot what I was going to say. Paige is laughing at me. What else are we doing today? We are going to be just tidying up the kitchen a little bit more. I already ran. Whose eyeball is that? That's Paige's eyeball. You stuck your eyeball in the camera? Oh well. Okay, so yeah, we're going to just put these away. You'll see my grocery haul in a minute, and Mr. Caleb is slamming the table right now. And then we'll clean up, and what else are we going to do? Have some lunch. Oh, you messed it up. And then we'll clean up and then make dinner and make a mess again. All right. Here we go.
Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. Here is our grocery haul for this week. I did the Walmart pickup. Where are we going to start on this end? This was a substitution. I did order yellow potatoes, but I ordered like the 5-pound bag. And they gave me this huge one, 10-pounder. So there we go. Some eggs. Those look good. I only had one substitution, well, like one that I didn't take, and I wanted the brick of the cheddar cheese. But they gave me the jalapeno cheddar. Nobody's going to eat that because it's just too spicy for the kids. Some drumsticks. They did have them on sale, so this was $7.83. Well, how much did I get? I got 1.8 kilos. That's all right. Some Black Forest ham. Some bok choy. And I'm not making soup again, but I like it if you just fry them up with some coconut. It's so good. Some chocolate milk in the little containers. I want to see if Caleb will like it like that. I don't really care that he's not drinking milk, but sometimes just for the calories, like I want him to have something, because he won't drink milk out of anything but a bottle, but since he's not drinking the bottle, anyways, we don't have a bottle, so he hasn't drank milk since New Year's Day. Some cheese. I'll have a lemon. Mr. Ethan requested some Granny Smith apples. Where's my regular apples? Oh, I see them. So he wanted some Granny Smith apples. This is from my brother. He's here right now looking at my broken down van. He brought me, the kids, some Oreo O's, some Honey Nut Cheerios, and some Walmart continuing on. Some veggie straws. Those were on sale. I got 3 boxes of their favorite granola bars. Some strawberries. Look at these tiny little strawberries. $5, but these tiny ones that we got last time, they were so good. Oh, greenhouse grown. Yummy. I got the right, they gave me pick the right juice this time, the calcium one. Some peppers, 2 red peppers. These are huge too. Some tasty taters. I don't know, because I felt like it. Our favorite French fries. I've been wanting fish for a while, and I really just like the haddock, and they had good reviews for the Great Value brand, so I just grabbed that. There's my apples, my red apples, gala apples, some salami that Ethan picked, hot dogs probably for lunch today, cucumber, everything bagels, the Great Value brand, English muffins, forgot what they were called, white bread, brown bread, hot dog buns for our hot dogs, a whole bunch of bananas. These are huge. Usually I like to pick the small ones, but every time you get the grocery pickup, they give you giant bananas. And my brother also brought me some chicken noodle soup for Mr. Caleb and some craft dinner. And I've never seen this before, Wacky Mac. It's got a bunch of different shapes in there. That'll be fun. And I wasn't out of lettuce. I thought I would be, but I still left it on my order, so now I have lots of lettuce. And I think down here, Oh, he also brought me some, what is this? Little chocolate cookies. And a whole bunch of spaghetti. These will get eaten eventually, slowly. Only Caleb likes these, so I'll put them down in my stockpile for now. And wow, I didn't forget anything. This is actually everything we got. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put it away.
Alright, and now it's time to put it all away. I did want to clean out my fridge. I usually like to do it before I get the groceries, but I was just doing it now as I was putting the groceries back in. And you'll see me in a little while, I'll actually like really clean out my fridge, taking out section by section, kind of. Not the drawers. I didn't do the drawers, just the shelves, because there's a lot of old food in there that nobody wanted to eat anymore, and I just needed to make some room. And now it was getting closer to lunchtime, and Mr. Caleb was asking for some soup because my dad, as I showed, had brought over some soup, and he saw the can, so he got all excited to have some soup. So we're just going to heat some of that up as he's attacking me there. And there he is, being all silly, eating his soup. I love watching kids eat. And then, of course, everybody else wanted a can of soup, so I made 2 more cans, one for Ethan and then one for Paige. And now to continue on cleaning out the fridge.
put this into a smaller jar because this is heavy and it's only like half full. Empty the way I like it.
And now time to make some dinner. These are the chicken legs that I just bought today. And Paige is laughing at me again because I stumbled on my words. Anyways, what's going on here? That's not cut out. There we go. Oh, I was washing my hands. Alright, time to get some spices. All I'm using is olive oil, the Greek seasoning that you get at Bulk Barn, and a bunch of paprika just to give them some color. Mix it all up. I did forget the salt, so after I wash my hands, I'm just going to throw some salt on it again and then throw it in the oven. And finally got all those potatoes peeled and chopped, and I'm going to be using the exact same spices because I was too lazy to go into my spice bag because I haven't filled up any of my spice jars. So everything is just going to have the same seasonings. This one you do cover up with foil and stick it in the oven. Now we're going to make some garlic bread with this pizza dough that I had that had to be used, but I didn't really want to make pizza, and I saw this recipe and it was actually really good. Just throw some melted butter on it, throw your cheese, put it in the oven. I did add oregano because oregano's yummy. And we just baked it after everything was done, and it was so good. Everybody loved it. And I'll definitely make it again. So that is it for the night. I don't know why it's all foggy, maybe just the steam. Anyways, we did make some stuffing, and I made a salad, and I just threw everything all into one pan. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and have a great night. Yes, bud. Can you say bye?
No bye.
No bye? Okay, bye-bye.